What do we do for dividing a fraction? Keep, change, flip. Keep, change, flip. Keep, change, flip. Hi, I'm Sarah. I've been a math and science teacher for 20 years. I'm here to make math engaging and fun and not so scary. If you're interested in in-person tutoring, Zoom tutoring, or micro tutoring through Cameo, click the link and do the stuff. So we're going to keep the first fraction as it is. So we stay 3/4, change the sign to multiplication, and then flip this last part. So we have now 3/4 divided by 1/5 is the same thing as 3/4 times 5/1. Now, this is one of those weird things where if a student doesn't realize that dividing by a fraction or dividing by a decimal that's less than 1 is going to actually make it bigger, that's one of those things where the answer that they get may not make sense without a lot of practice and without going over this. So now we've got 15 over, 4 goes into 15 3 times. 15 minus 12 is 3. So we have a remainder of 3/4. That's mathed up.